Hi, I'm Janice, Realtor with Remax Lyman Realtors in Kendall Park, New Jersey. From my kitchen to yours, I found a recipe that is simple to make right here at home. Please share with your family and friends. Enjoy. As a realtor having extensive knowledge of the communities in Franklin Township, Somerset County, I specialize in getting top dollar for your home. So let me go to work for you. And if you would like to know what your home is worth in today's market, at no cost, just give me a call.